Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. This week, we will talk about Email Notification Overview. Open the Desk Director admin portal and go to the Email section. Then click on Notification Events. In the System Events section, you can set email templates for events like authorization token delivery, password reset, and broadcast. To change the default template for any event to a custom template, click the three-dot menu next to it. Select Use Custom Template, then choose your desired custom template. This will bring up a list of your own customized templates to choose from. Click Select to apply the changes. To assign a system template to an event, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Use System Template. Choose your desired system template, then click Select to apply it after viewing the preview. To test an event, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Test. Enter the recipient's email and click Send Test Email. A confirmation message will appear if successful. Click Cancel to close the window. Next, go to Ticket Global Events to set email templates for approval or additional information events. Toggle the switch to enable an event, then click the three-dot menu to change the template. Select Use Custom Template and choose your desired template. A preview will appear. Click Select to apply it. To test an event, click the three-dot menu and select Test. Enter the recipient's email and click Send Test Email. A confirmation will appear if successful. Click Cancel to close the window. That is Email Notification Overview. Thank you for joining today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.